I'm a baby barber and I feel pressured to buy different clippers and trimmers. Do not feel pressure to buy a bitch ass thing. There's a trimmer and a clipper dropping every week. Find a brand and a clipper and a trimmer that you love and stick with that. I can honestly say I do not buy clippers and trimmers. I do not buy them. I don't. I got my clippers and trimmers that have worked for me forever, and those get me through. My favorite saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I know right now it's so trendy. I mean, they're throwing it in our face, a new clipper and a new trimmer every week. This one's better than last week. This one's better than last week. It's like that Cat Williams stand-up where the weed man's like, that shit last week, that shit was nothing. This shit right here, that's literally the clipper and trimmer companies with us right now. They are freaking telling us that shit last week was nothing. That shit was nothing. This right here, this clipper's fire. This clipper's better. And it's like, I know that we see that all the time. Plus, they do great at marketing by sending it out to all the influencers, and the influencers posting, man, this shit right here, got the new. Yeah, they're steady posting it because they got it for free. But if they was paying for it, they ain't gonna buy all those clippers or trimmers. So don't feel pressure to buy anything.